Want to see how to make this delicious breakfast casserole? Then continue watching. I'm cooking with Tammy, and I'm going to show you how to put this beautiful casserole together in less than 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's introduce these ingredients and get to cooking. For this recipe, we're not going to need too many ingredients. We're going to start off with non-flaky graham biscuits. As you can see, I have my turkey sausage. However, feel free to swap it for whatever sausage you prefer. Eggs, whole milk, salt and ground black pepper, and cheese. Now, when it comes to the cheeses, I'm using Colby Monterey Jack, Gouda, and sharp cheddar. However, if you only want to use one cheese, you definitely can. With all of that being said, let's get this pot rocking. We're going to add some oil to a pan. Let's get that sausage in there. We're going to use our ground meat chopper to break the sausage on up. I'm going to swap from the ground meat chopper to the spatula, break this meat on up even more. There's some retained water going on in the pan from the sausage. No worries, we're going to concentrate on cooking the sausage until it's no longer pink. Careful not to grate those fingers. Of course, if you have a food processor, which I do, but I just don't want to get it dirty, it's too much to clean at the end. You could definitely use your food processor. Alrighty, let's grate the cheddar cheese as well. As I said before, when it comes to the cheeses, it's totally up to you guys. Come on now. Use whatever cheese you and your taste buds prefer. Alright? Adjust that recipe and make it yours. We're also going to add our Gouda to the mix. As you can see, I'm just grating it all together. I don't care if it's mixed in, because at the end, all of this cheese is going to go on to that casserole. In the earlier part of the video, I know there was a lot of water in the pan. However, when we're cooking our sausages, we want them to fry. So allow some of that water to literally evaporate from the pan. And once that happens, your meat is going to fry and it's going to have a nice brown, crispy coating and color. That's just how we like it. In the meanwhile, we're going to remove our biscuits from the can. And of course, if you want to go ahead and make homemade biscuits, you definitely can. But this is one of those quick and easy recipes. As fast as you get in the kitchen, we want to get out of the kitchen. So we're going to go ahead and rock out with the canned biscuits. I'm going to add some non-stick cooking spray to our 9x13 casserole dish before placing our biscuits into the dish, of course. Just going to place it like that. Perfect. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to smash the biscuits out. Alright. Stretch them on out just like that. Perfect. Time for the fun part, guys. Let's bring these eggs on over. I have about 10 eggs in this bowl, and we are going to add our milk to the eggs. All right, we're going to add a small pinch of salt and pepper for a little extra added flavor, of course, and we're just going to get to whisking. We're going to take our cooked sausage and add it to our biscuits. If you want to make more than a pound of sausage, you definitely can. Trust me, I was tempted to do that. But I ended up taking it and putting it back in the refrigerator. We're going to add some of our 3-cheese blend. I gotta admit, there's something definitely different about the cheese in the bag versus freshly grated cheese. Now, when I went out earlier, I ended up picking up the cheese in the bag only because this is supposed to be a quick and easy recipe. And I mean, come on, let's think about it. Quick and easy, get the cheese in the bag, sprinkle it on, and you're done, right? So I was like, you know what? Stop playing yourself, girl. Put that cheese in the bag back. Get some block cheese and just grate the cheese. You know what I'm saying? And I'm so glad that I did, because now that I did that, this cheese is definitely going to do this casserole some good. Let's take the remaining sausage and add it to the top. Now will be the perfect time to add our egg mixture. We're going to take our time, pour it on, make sure everything is covered. And no worries, all of this egg mixture, believe it or not, is going to seep to the bottom of the casserole dish. Now will be the perfect time to add some more cheese. Can someone say more cheese, please? We're going to continue to add our cheeses on top. And this is definitely going to bring our casserole dish home. Now, here's the thing. We're going to place it into our oven uncovered at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook our casserole for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick or a fork comes out clean. After about 30 minutes, guys, look at how beautiful. Ooh, our sausage and egg casserole is done. This is perfect for any day of the week. Not to mention, it's summertime. Most of our kids are home from school. If we do have kids, listen. This right here is one of those masterpieces that you could definitely enjoy for brunch, lunch, and even dinner. It's time to eat, family. This is good. This is good. Ooh. Check it out. Wow, that's pretty. Wow. Talk about delightful. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. Not to mention we have the nice little crispy edges going on. Woo! Absolutely beautiful. Let's garnish with some Italian curly parsley. Add some color to this plate, right? Not to mention we got the great flavors going on. And as always, don't forget to check out cookingwithtammy.shop for your seasonings. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, and I will definitely catch you guys in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.